you may think what I'm eating, but these are roots. I was in the wilderness, so I want to tell you a little bit about these roots. Here we call it mulondo in Uganda, but its botanical name it's Modia white. Yeah, Modia white. That's the botanical name. So this increases your appetite, but here mostly we chew it to make our snake strong. Like for men, you can have this. It's better than Viagra. It's better than Panagra. Yes, doesn't work like Viagra, like there and then. But after eating it, it takes like 3 days to get into your bloodstream, so it makes your snake very strong. So bring close. These are the leaves. This is how it looks. So to get this root, you have to go in the ground. Come close. I want to show them something. You get in the ground. So this is what? This is the main stem. But these are the leaves. This is how it looks. These are the leaves. I think you can see them. Leaves. So this is how you can identify it. So it's kind of bitter. It's kind of bitter. Sugar a little bit. But it's medicinal. So like nature, nature doesn't work like science. It's a herb, so it doesn't work there and then. It takes some time to get into your bloodstream. So on my safaris, to men, like to my friends, to my clients, I can give you maybe a piece, you taste on it, and maybe you can carry a root home. Yeah, you can carry this root home, maybe plant it. It's nice. You can preserve it by sun drying. So I had to make this video for my Wozu friend. Yeah, Poquito. Bon appetit. So I want to show you how you uproot it from the ground. So you get the hole. You see? I'm getting it, so I can't lose the stress of it. But this is nice, really nice. So get the big one. Bon appetit. So this one I'm going to give it to Wozu. Yeah. I gave them